this was the beginning of June. Fortunate to have them both in the delivery room. In their arms holding me close as they were singing me tunes. The same songs I heard them sing when I was still in the womb. Had no house or home yet. Lived in Havelu with my dad's parents till we could afford to buy our own bed. Back and forth from my mom's van. Hala life on it with a lie on it. Hoisted on my heart's flag. Dollar for old, city slick. Kicked it for a bit, then found a home in Otahuhu. I would call my villagers. Hit the foundation, hit the ground pacing. Pops taught us we could send to keep the house safe. He taught us strive for perfection. Balance mind, body, and soul. You must appreciate the life that you're blessed with. Couple of years later, my little brother was born. At the dawn of December, my mother's humming a song. And she had love for us all, but all she wanted was a girl. Watching us running around without no troubles in the world. We grew up in the village, shooting marbles, flying kites. Fala Sengai and the flying fox when they're gliding by. Sunset, you can hear my mother yelling, "Time guy, let it happy. Are you gonna cry tonight?" Went to science school, right next to Tonga High. Yellow buns and ice blocks on the tongue whenever days are long and dry. If you could afford to buy, otherwise it's fight a guy at the Dalamahu markets with a couple nice or die. But there's plenty of elegant treats. Lucipi, Otaika, Ufi, Bella, and LC. If you are what you eat, then you're embedded with freakish horsepower. Shana is a tongue and delicacy. Growing up in the culture where tradition is the key to the building blocks of life at the beginnings of a scene. With the customs running deep, the people living for their dreams. There's a monarchy with politics, religion, and beliefs. I was lucky to believe in the faith that I was born to. Directions of my parents from the trials that they had gone through. Instilling me a strong viewpoint and principles. Raised to have a vision for the future, guided with support. But I'm a late bloomer, waiting around for long lengths of time. Learned the hard way, party and nonsense. But now I hold a strong sense, even though I was force-fed. Slow progress is better than no progress. It's a progressive revelation, like God's manifestations. Life just gets better with age, and now it's never too late to change. And so today I smile, I'm a man on my own, but it took a village to raise this child. Shout outs to my village man Hala life on there with the family and God with the family in Tavala Havelu, Pokatala